How to turn on and turn off notifications on your REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off and turn on notification on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to turn on or turn off specific notification on your REDnote, simply head over to your REDnote app, make sure that you're logged in and head over to your profile. After you're here, head over to the settings. To head over to settings, you'll find a gear icon right besides the edit profile option. Tap on the gear icon, and after you're on the settings, you should find notification settings. So from here, you can customize your notification. If you want notification of engagements such as followers, comments, tags, and likes, you can simply play with it around here. If you don't want it, you can toggle the button off for the one that you do not want it. There is also a notification setting for the chats. Head over there and there you will see different options of whom you want to receive chat notifications from. So you can turn off whichever you want and turn on whichever you want as well. There are also notification settings for contents. So as you can see right here, if to follow the author for updates, live reminders, content recommendations, and recommend users, you can just head over there and play with it around until you meet the desired notification settings. So this is for specific notifications on REDnote app. If you want to turn off notification of REDnote app completely, simply head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you should find your notification settings as well. Scroll down till you find notifications. Now under notification, you can simply search for your REDnote app. So search for REDnote. And after you find your REDnote app, simply select that and turn the notification for that off. And it's that simple. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Do not forget to like the video and bye bye. Take care.